Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brianne and I am so excited that you've landed on my video today. I am going to be tackling multiple areas in my home today. We're going to be doing some rearranging. I'm going to be sharing some meal prepping as well as a potato dish recipe that is really good in the summer, and it's super easy to do as well. So we are starting off today in my main living area, and these books literally drive me up the wall, and so I was trying to find a better system for them, so stay tuned to see what we ended up doing. There is tons of before and afters in today's video, and I'm really excited to share them with you. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already to join our growing YouTube family. Now I'm gonna go ahead and play some music. Alright, so I wanted to go ahead and move what was here onto the other side of the TV, which you will see here in a little bit. And then we found this little table that we had downstairs. It's not going to stay here for forever, but it does the job for now. And as you can see, everything was just super dusty and needed to be wiped down. And so I'm going ahead and doing that before moving on to the bedrooms. The before and after turned out so good. I love that all the toys are not super out there anymore. And so yeah, there's still a few obviously, but we just kind of kept what the girls currently play with. Next up, we are moving into my youngest room. She is 2 years old, and we just transferred her over to a big girl bed, which is really exciting. And so with the big girl bed comes a new blanket and a new pillow. And so you're gonna watch me go ahead and add that to her bedding and stuff on top of cleaning her room. So as you can see, we have now moved into my other daughter's room, and I'm just going ahead and giving this a really quick clean, wiping everything down, making her bed, and we're gonna go ahead and vacuum the house as well. So this did take me all day. My husband was helping me in the background. You can't see him really, but he did all of our laundry. He basically cleaned the entire basement and helped me wipe down everything in the living room and stuff. And so basically everything that is not shown on camera, he did. And so I'm so thankful that he helps me. I often get asked how I get it all done, and honestly, I have a lot of help. My husband helps me, whether it is with the girls or he cleans along with me, or sometimes he'll just clean the whole house, he'll do some cooking. He honestly picks up my slack wherever that may be during the day, and so it is honestly, I couldn't do it without him. And so I really do love homemaking and cleaning and all the things, and I try to obviously keep up on it. And I am a very insanely productive person, but I definitely cannot take all the credit, and so I don't get it all done, and I want you guys to know that. There's days where I slack, there's days where I'm just not all put together, and that's okay. And so learning to give myself some grace along the way and ask for help if I need it has been extremely helpful for me. And I've realized that over this past year, I need to start asking for help when I need it. And again, it's okay to ask for help. So I just kind of went on a little tangent there, but I hope that this can encourage you guys that if you are struggling, that it's okay to ask for help from your spouse or your mom or your sister or whoever is your support system. And I really want to encourage you to do so, to kind of cut yourself some slack and give yourself some grace. Alright everybody, I'm going to take a quick break from cleaning as I have a ton of prepping to do. So I am going to be sharing, it's like 4:30, I'm going to start supper, and so I'm going to be sharing a really good dill potato recipe with you guys. And then I'm going to go ahead and prep a ton of stuff. So we're going to do that, and then we'll get back to cleaning after.
Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me 'cause you had to? 'Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine. So you're burning with desire. You sure know how to set a girl on fire.
I hope that you guys enjoyed that little bit of music break where I did some meal prepping and stuff. I wasn't gonna film that and then I decided to add it in. So let me know in the comments if you guys do enjoy when I add a little bit more homemaking motivation in as well as the cleaning motivation. But next thing we're doing is we're going ahead and tackling my kitchen floor. I showed you a little bit of a before. The kitchen just gets so dirty, and honestly I could vacuum and mop my kitchen every single day. Let me know in the comments if your kitchen gets that dirty as well. But anyway, we're just going ahead and vacuuming, and then we are actually going to bust out my mop as well. But first I'm gonna go ahead and clean some of the surfaces in our kitchen. I needed to clean this stove, I needed to clean this sink, and I also needed to clean our dish rack. So let's go ahead and do that.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that he got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us.
So now that I have that all clean, I wanted to go ahead and just add a couple drops of essential oils into my sink. I'm using the peppermint, and I don't know if you've ever tried this before, but it makes it smell so good. Another thing you can do is add it in the bottom of your trash can, and it helps to keep your kitchen smelling nice and fresh. I would prefer to use like a lemon or some sort of citrusy scent, but I didn't have any. I actually need to get some. But next I'm going ahead and, like I said, mopping my floor. I love this mop, you guys. You know I've used it tons and tons of times. When I mop my kitchen floor, I usually do it on my hands and knees, but I ended up mopping the entire house today, and I am just using Pine Sol throughout the house. Let me know in the comments what your favorite cleaner is to use on your floors. I love to use the Pine Sol, obviously, as well as the Go Clean Co method, but I would love to hear your guys' feedback and what you like to use.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like.
Alright everybody, this is probably a super long video, but I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It literally took me all day. It is 8:15 p.m., which is crazy. I don't normally film at night, as I honestly don't have the energy, but for some reason I was able to truck her on all day, so cheers to that. I'm drinking some water, which is funny because you guys saw me drink iced coffee in this video, a Caesar, top it off with some water. Anyway, I hope that this video gave you tons of motivation. If you enjoyed it and you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause tonight